Welcome or welcome back to my channel. For today's video is I'll be sharing you one of the technique that I am really applying with my intentional savings journey. So ano nga ba yung pinaka top priority ko on doing that ipon challenge with this 2025? And yeah, by the way, I'm Che and I am actually in a minimalist way of living, intentional living, and of course savings for our future. And so if you want more topics about this, you can actually subscribe my channel. And yeah, let's go ahead and proceed to the technique that I am actually applying for myself para tayo talaga yung makapag-ipon. And this is actually the self-control. Pasensya na maingay yung may eroplano na dumadaan. But yeah, self-discipline is a key for us to actually save consistently. So kapag wala kang disiplina, just like what I did with my previous years, na umabot ako ng ilang years na wala talagang naipon at all, dahil bottom line, wala akong disiplina sa sarili. And so if you really want to go through with the challenge na talagang makapag-ipon kayo with this 2025 and so on and so forth in the next years, then do self-discipline. Me personally, talagang iniiwasan ko yung paggastos ng hindi kailangan. So, yung sinasabi na impulse buying, wala na ako noon. So, lagi na ako nag-iisip muna ng maigi bago ako bumili. And I also applied a no-spend month or even a no-spend year. Aminin na natin, if you're intentional with your savings and if you're serious, then you can actually go ahead apply. Every month is going to be a no spend month para mabuo natin yung isang year na talaga nga namang bumibili lang tayo ng naaayon sa pangangailangan. And if it's not a need, then forget about it. Alright, so yeah, although in my previous videos I am actually saying na para maiwasan natin yung magalaw, yung ating pinaka-savings, is we really have to have that specific amount for ourselves or for yung pang Gora bells natin or yung pang waldas natin. But if you're intentional with your savings or seryoso ka talaga na makapag-ipon this year or the coming years, kailangan mo talagang magkaroon ng no spend month or no spend year. So ayun lang naman for now. If you want more topics about this or more topics like this, you can actually subscribe my channel. See you in my next one. Have a nice day.